Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of audio recording. So, let's get started. Evita, starting with the Evita 64GB digital voice recorder. The style is sleek and sophisticated, easily fitting in the palm of your hand or pocket. What truly distinguishes this recorder is its large 64GB storage capacity. The voice-activated recording feature is revolutionary. It begins recording automatically when someone begins speaking, saving you the inconvenience of repeatedly pressing the record button. Furthermore, the password protection option offers an additional degree of security to your critical recordings. The easy controls make playback a joy, and the audio quality is sharp and clear, catching every detail. Whether you're a student recording lectures or a professional documenting meetings, the EVIDA voice-activated recording device is a dependable and feature-rich option. Coconise. Following that, we have the Coconise 64GB digital voice recorder, which has some impressive features. The design finds a mix between beauty and usefulness right out of the box. The 64GB storage capacity is remarkable, providing plenty of room for all of your crucial recordings. What piqued my interest was the 37.2 kbps HD recording quality, which provides crystal clear audio while preserving every aspect of your lectures or meetings. The voice-activated recording function is revolutionary, saving storage space as well as your valuable time during replay. The MP3 player capability is an added benefit that allows you to listen to your favorite music while on the go. For individuals who need to rapidly examine certain areas of their recordings, the AB loop playback and accelerate feature are clever additions, not to mention the password protection option, which adds an added degree of security to your secret recordings. Overall, the Coconise audio recorder is a strong and flexible tool that belongs in your electronic arsenal. Sony ICD UX570. After that, let's take a look at the Sony ICD UX570 digital voice recorder. This little powerhouse is small, elegant, and extremely user-friendly. Sony's attention to detail in terms of design and build quality is evident right out of the box. The USB connection is a terrific feature that makes it extremely easy to transfer your recordings to your computer or other devices. With an outstanding battery life, this recorder is ideal for those lengthy lectures or meetings where you don't want to worry about running out of power. Its clean and crisp audio quality is a notable feature, ensuring that every word is caught precisely. It's a great tool for students, professionals, and anybody else who needs to capture critical audio. While it lacks some of the fancy bells and whistles of other recorders on the market, it does its job incredibly well. It's easy to use, and the menu navigation is basic. On top of that, the compactness makes it extremely portable, easily fitting into a pocket or backpack. Olympus OM-WS882. Next, we'll look at the Olympus OM system, WS882 digital voice recorder, which is a feature-packed gadget that creates a lasting impression. Olympus immediately impresses with its sleek and futuristic appearance, which feels wonderful in the hand and is extremely user-friendly. The option to record in both linear PCM and MP3 codecs is a unique feature here, providing you the freedom to select the audio quality that best matches your needs. While the USB direct capability is revolutionary, allowing for easy file transfers to your PC, it has 4 GB of storage capacity, which is plenty for your recordings, and the file index makes organizing simple. The WS882's playback speed and volume modification features, which are a godsend for people who need to examine or transcribe their recordings, truly set it apart. Also, the chance to wipe certain files is a useful tool for organizing your device and preventing you from mistakenly losing important recordings. GMET. The GMET digital voice recorder will be featured next. I was blown away from the minute I got my hands on this item. It offers an incredible 48 GB of storage and an astounding 33.43 hours of recording capacity, making it an excellent choice for marathon lectures and extended meetings when storage is an issue. The 32-hour battery life is nothing short of astounding, assuring that it will not die on you during those long sessions. The voice-activated recording function is revolutionary, smoothly beginning and pausing when someone talks, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. The noise reduction technology is the cherry on top, ensuring that your recordings remain clear and free of irritating background noise. Playback is simple and easy to use, making it ideal for examining your work. Therefore, the GMET digital voice recorder is a dependable, feature-rich option that merits your attention. Whether you're a student keeping up with lectures, Zoom H1N VP. Lastly, we have the unboxing and reviewing of the Zoom H1N VP portable digital recorder value pack in sleek black. It's a complete game changer for audiophiles. You can feel the quality and workmanship that Zoom is known for right out of the box. The 32GB microSD HC card supplied provides adequate capacity for your recordings, allowing you to record hours of high-quality music without worry. What actually distinguishes this bundle is the fuzzy microphone windshield, which is ideal for outdoor recording where wind noise can be a real pain. The HONVP is extremely compact, fits snugly in your pocket, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go recording of everything from live music performances to field interviews. Even, the audio quality is excellent, catching every detail with precision. It's simple to explore and use thanks to easy controls and a user-friendly design. We hope you found this review informative and helpful, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons in the future. Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure.